Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Karan Johar is taking action against his haters. Bollywood filmmaker Karan Johar has received too much flack from the Bollywood lovers after the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. Karan Johar has tried to distance himself from social media to avoid all the trolls and backlashes, but he all in vain. Angry netizens have not stopped trolling Karan Johar yet. Karan has received threat calls and messages from people. People even attack Karan by threatening his little kids too. Karan has stopped uploading posts on his social media account. As per the reports, Karan has even deleted one of his personal Instagram account named Karan Affairs. He was receiving too much threats, messages and calls that he has also changed his phone number after decades to avoid threats. But nothing worked in favor of him. His talk show got banned and he was taken down from the post of member of the Mami Film Festival. A case was filed against this filmmaker in Bihar and his movies have also got banned in the state. Well, because of all the trolls, his life is currently going through a miserable situation and he is suffering from depression. He has also disconnected himself from the Bollywood industry as none of his friends stood beside him in this situation. People have also made allegations and accused him of a foul play in Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. The filmmaker is also accused of promoting nepotism and not giving chance to real talents, and because of this he is receiving trolls. Well, he has received much online hate, which is why he has decided to take strict action against his online haters. According to a recent report of DNA, Karan has said that he had tolerated enough. He will not take this online hatred anymore. This is why the filmmaker has decided upon taking strict and legal action against those who are targeting him. He is also determined to take an action against those people who are targeting his family, especially his mother and his two little kids. A close friend of Karan Johar has revealed that the filmmaker is currently actively pursuing legal action against. A team of lawyers and the tech experts have been engaged to work on this, who will unearth all the accounts who are threatening him. Karan has said that he had no intention of doing this, but the threats went out of his hand. People have started to threaten physical harm and abuse to his children, and even his mother got rape threats in the comments. Do you think Karan is doing right by taking legal action? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.